Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
KK Modi, the President and MD of Godfrey Philips India, joins us now to talk about that. Mr. Modi, good morning and thank you for joining us on the show. I just wanted to start by asking you how the cigarette business has been. What kind of volume growth have you seen in this quarter? And is the industry now back to normalcy after the kind of changes that we saw post GST and demonetization?
Well, this quarter has been good. We have witnessed about 14% growth over same period last year. So the volumes are stabilizing.
Okay. Would you say that, I mean, if you can give us some number of what is the volume growth?
14%.
Okay, 14%.
14%.
Okay, so most GST and demonetization blues are over, you think, and you could do even better?
It looks like that this year will be better than last year.
Okay, so what are you forecasting as a growth for the company by the end of the year?
Pardon?
What kind of growth can we hope to see by the end of the year from Godfrey Philips?
In terms of revenue, EBITDA?
It's very difficult to predict the full year because we don't know what will happen to taxes. But if taxes remain stable, then I think cigarette volume will stabilize and there may be 2-3% growth in the industry.
Okay. Well, you know, in between there was this talk that FDI in any form of cigarette manufacturing should be banned in the tobacco segment. Are you in talks with the government? Have you heard anything? Because this might impact you.
No, I have not heard anything. The last information was a few months back.
Okay.
Recently, there has been no move.
So, I mean, what I'm asking is, if Philip Morris wanted to invest more, will there be regulatory problems? Will they hit a regulatory wall?
Yes, at present, I think foreign cigarette companies cannot increase their shareholding.
Okay.
Okay.
You are talking to Philip Morris or to the government?
No, there has been no discussion.
Okay.
Okay. Any other companies that have shown any interest to invest in Godfrey Philips? I mean, any talks with any potential investors?
No discussion.
Okay.
We have no discussion.
Is Philip Morris or you open to a third strategic partner who can invest and expand business?
I could not understand your question.
No. Will you rope in more investors so that I mean, if they invest in Godfrey Philips, then you can expand?
No. I think we have very good relationship with Philip Morris, and we are quite happy. There is no need of any other new party.
Okay. What is the market share of the business currently, and has it changed over the last few months?
Yeah, I think we have gained about 1%.
Okay. What does it stand at now?
Market share. It is 13.5%.
Okay. You said that you expect cigarette volumes to improve. Are you all working to some target? How much of volumes?
Well, volume, because the industry is in low growth, overall year-wise, I think in the whole year the volume may grow 5-6%.
Okay, 5-6% volume growth is what you're looking at. Wanted to understand a little more about your retail business as well, TFS. Will you look to demerge this business at any point? And what kind of revenue growth are we looking at? You've done about 13% last year.
Well, the retail business is growing very fast. Till last year, we had less than 60 stores. We hope to add 100 stores this year.
And
Okay.
what kind of revenue growth would that bring about? I think you're sitting on a base of about 200 crores of revenues in FY18. How will that move to, or where will that move to in FY19?
I think FY19 should more than double.
Oh, Okay. What about the other chewing products and confectionery business, the pan masala business? What kind of a growth do you see over there in FY19 versus FY18?
I think it will be more than 20%.
Both. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm asking you, do you mean growth by 20% or share of your business, it will be 20%?
No, growth
Okay.
over last year.
Okay. Sir, if your retail business is expected to double in revenues in the next 1 year, will you look to demerge this business at any point in time?
Not yet. Right now, the volume is very small. So, we will wait until and unless our turnover is about 2,000 crores.
Will you wait to divest and expand it, or would you want to sell off that business after fattening it? You want to stay in retail at all?
Yes, very much.
Okay.
We have high growth objectives.
All right. Okay, we'll leave it at that, Mr. Modi. It's always a pleasure having you with us on the channel. So that's the word coming from Godfrey Phillips. Has improved market share and fairly big volume growth. Stock is still somewhat in the red.